Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to make your YouTube subscribers private on a PC or a laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, it's actually fairly easy. What you're going to do is open up a new browser and then come across to youtube.com. And from here, if you're not already, just go ahead and log into your account. And then what you want to do is just click your profile icon up in the top right-hand corner and then come down to your YouTube Studio. So once this is loaded through, what you're going to need to do is if you look to the menu on the left-hand side, what you need to do is actually click onto the settings option. And then from here, what you need to do is click onto channel on the left-hand side. And if you look at the top of the page, what you're going to need to do from here is click onto advanced settings. And then just scroll down. And you'll see a bit down the page, there's going to be this option here which says subscriber count. So this basically displays the number of people subscribed to my channel. And a box will be ticked. To make your subscribers private, all you need to do is untick that box and then click the save button. And you're going to see it's going to come up with confirmation at the bottom saying settings saved. And if I now go and click onto my channel, and you'll see that it's no longer showing any of my subscribers. Now if I go onto videos and open up any of my videos, you'll see normally down here next to your profile icon, it displays your subscribers, but you can see that's now disappeared and that's been made private. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.